Hey friends, so welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, let's take a look at some of my favorite rooms from this month. If you all have noticed, I've been doing a lot of just kind of chill, relaxing videos with not so much talking. So let's hop into it. We can start with this room. I felt this entryway was absolutely beautiful. It's very simple, very minimal, but still it kind of captures you, especially that beautiful chandelier. And of course, we can move on to this dining room. Tons of color. I told you all in several videos, I love the jungle glam theme and look, and this room just does not disappoint for me. I think this room was very well thought out and planned out because just me personally, if I started with this wall color, I think I would have panicked just a little bit, but it came out. I mean, everything is so cohesive. So I definitely feel like I leaned pretty heavily on the modern organic and modern Mediterranean this month. It's just a style that has just been drawing me in greatly. Love this room. I love that sofa with the pop of blue and of course those brown leather chairs. I just feel like it's a very inviting room. This room is very dark and I absolutely love that. Some would say that it's dark and moody. Some people would say that it's very masculine. I actually love this room. I think my favorite thing about the room is the stain of the ceiling versus those the four leather chairs. How they almost look like the same shade, but then it coordinates with that green sofa. This room and then the black walls, like I love this room. This is the perfect room for relaxing. Another dining room that I love how everything ties together, but it's so simple at the same time. And it looks like this is a table that seats 10, so of course there's enough to go around if you're having a get together or a party, or if you just have a large family. And I would not be me if I did not pick out a couple of funky Art Deco rooms, because you know that style has my heart. Really, these two green accent chairs with the asymmetrical cut at the very top, love that. I love green and a cheetah print or a leopard print. Let's just say a dark green with an animal print. That just does something for me. So this room made the list more so for its color palette. I'm really into neutrals right now with a wood grain or brown and a black. And then if I want a metallic in there, I throw a little gold. That is my go-to look right now. And another dining room that kind of gave me a little bit of Art Deco. Love this color wall though, it's very unique. So I'm going to do the next two images together. As you can see, it's the same color palette that I was talking about. I'm just really into this right now. I don't know why, because I'm usually an over-the-top glam, but I guess my home decor style that I favor the most is changing. I don't know if that's coming with age or maturity or just maybe the desire to create something different in my home. The color green is also something that has really been catching my eye this month. Whether you choose to pair it with gold or other colors, it's something about it that's just really sparking my creativity. I love this room. So one of my favorites for the whole month is this room. I told you it's that same color palette, the whites, the browns, the blacks. Add in some gold if you need a metallic pop, but also this bit of nature in the form of all this greenery. I could have my whole house like this and be perfectly fine. More green because I guess I was just the green queen this month. Of course, your gold, your blacks in there. It's just a really nice room. It has elements of glam without being too over the top with it. So another thing that I'm just really into this month is layering textures. So if you look at this room, of course it's neutral. You have that one kind of really prominent color palette there. But I love how the room still looks interesting in the form of all the different textures that are there. I mean, look at the color of the sofa, the different colorments, the different colors, I'm getting tongue-tied, that are involved in that rug. Then you have the beautiful coffee table. You have that element of design kind of behind your fireplace there. You have your chairs, and everything is doing something different, but nothing is clashing with each other. All I have to say about this room is yes and please. This just goes to show that a room can be neutral or in neutral tones, but it doesn't have to be boring. Another one of my rooms with the color scheme, you already know. Fun fact, I actually have this rug in my entryway as well. I picked mine up from Amazon. If you are curious about this rug, just let me know. I can link the one that I purchased down below in the description box. Okay, so as far as exteriors go, I saw this house and I was just like, oh my gosh, like everything from the arches to the black accents to that beautiful, I don't know what it is it vines, or I'm not a plant person, so you guys will have to let me know down in the comment section. Whatever it is giving. Just that basic white and black with those elements of nature in the form of that greenery is absolutely breathtaking and beautiful to me. So at this point, I usually ask you, hey, what are your favorites? Here's some of mine. Listen, the whole video was my favorite, so you let me know what you enjoyed down in the comment section below. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.